In any normal election, rain can dampen turnout, but not in Crimea, not in a referendum on joining Russia. In fact, even not being on the electoral roll isn't a problem. Only a fifth of expected voters here are on the list, she tells us. But bring your passport and they can approve you right here and now with their own vote. You even get a cheer if it's your first election. The same happens here, where they say their voters' list is old. There is enthusiasm, particularly among the older, for joining Russia. But there's been virtually no contest in this hastily called vote, backed by thousands of Russian troops. It's rare to hear or even see a pro-Ukrainian voice anywhere, which leads you to conclude this isn't really about a choice for the people of Crimea. It's more about asking them to endorse a political decision made elsewhere, really, in Moscow. Not everyone is happy about being under the gun. In this area where the ethnic Tatar minority live, this would be a voting station normally, but it's closed as many Tatars are boycotting the vote. We have absolutely no rights at all, this man says. How can an alien country take over another? Their local leader has been flown to meet President Vladimir Putin, but that's done little to calm nerves here about Russia taking over. This is a farce, he says. It's not a free choice. How can you have free expression with armed men everywhere? There could be conflict. Another man says there's no guarantee these militia, these convicts and drug addicts won't do something. At the nearby Ukrainian army base, the Russian flag is now up. A done deal here. But what is certain, bar perhaps the result, is that anger at the invasion here may be mostly out of sight, but remains. Nick Payton-Walsh, CNN, Bakhchisarai, Ukraine.